Hey guys, today Mama is gonna make yummy baked fish. Ta-da!
Okay guys, so let's start with the masala that we are going to put on this or the marination that we are going to put on this fish. So we need coriander, some 2 pieces of haldi, 4 cloves of garlic and 1 chili. And we are going to grind it with some jeera and salt and very little water. Then keep it aside and take any white fish you like. I'm using a fish called bar aline in French. This fish you need to first clean it. So we are going, it's already cleaned. I just need to run it through the water. I cut the fins and now I'm going to add some lime juice. With the lime juice we will also add salt, and before putting the salt I'm just slitting it, putting some 4 to 5 slits so that all the lime juice, filling and salt goes inside. So make sure you please rub it with hand nicely so all the juices are well integrated. So I kept it marinating for 10 minutes and now this is our grinded masala. I'm adding little bit of chili powder in it and little bit of dhania jeera powder. That's all we are going to add, along with 1 to 1.5 or 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Mix it well and we are going to put it in the fish now. So we'll start marinating the fish, and please use your hands, do not just put it by the spoon. It will not mix properly and you will not have a good taste in the end. So I'm just spreading it all over and making sure that all the gaps are filled properly with this masala, this chutney. And after all that, we are going to go to next step. So now I am using my chopping board. On top of that I have added some rice flour. I'm putting my fish on top of it and again some rice flour. So basically I'm coating it little bit with the rice flour for getting some nice crispiness after getting baked. And try to ensure as much as you can to dab this rice flour on all the sides. So now I'm going to bake this, and for that I am transferring it into this baking tray. On top of that I'm going to add about a teaspoon of olive oil again, just to make sure that it gets a little bit. We are baking it at 200 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. I'm going to put it in my oven and we will see it after 30 minutes how it looks. So after 30 minutes we can see that the fish is already bubbling and it is ready to be out, and this is how it looks. Steaming hot, crispy and yummy fish is ready for plating. I've already plated it into this tray because it's kind of big fish and it's ready to be served. Voila, with your favorite meals. So I'm serving it with this khichdi, that's haricot coco rouge. This is yummy salad mixed with all the things, and this fish. Oh my god, it's amazing. I'm showing you inside part of it. This is very crispy on top, and wow, look at this. This is so well baked and looks amazing. It smells divine over here already, guys. So I hope you make this dish and let me know in comments how you feel about it. So see you soon in the next recipe. Until then, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like to my channel, Dia's Delicacy.